This is my room and that. What you So you guys, today and my dad is making Shay's bedroom today, and we're doing so good so far. And yeah, so here we made the cover without the screws, and then my dad is making another one because he has like four. One on the side, one on the other side, and one on the... No, he only has three. I don't make my bed.
What is Daddy doing? Daddy's fixing your bed.
Let me go eat something from the fridge. And you guys, we're in our new house today. And yeah, today we're doing fixing my brother's bedroom. And let me give you guys a tour.
We're gonna give them a tour later, baby. So I want to give you guys a tour so bad, guys.
Wait, Shane.
We're gonna give you guys a tour later. Is that okay, baby? Good. So guys, so far this is how it looks like. This is Shane's room. I'm just trying to put everything together. This is what my husband has done so far. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted how it looks like, how it turned out. That should be the right one. This way.
Sorry guys, this is my room. This is my room. Uncle Daddy.
You're welcome. If you have kids, this is very important to use. This is a waterproof mattress stain protector. So try and use this. It's super good. Put this before you put in your bed sheets and everything. Free promo. Check it out. Good. Now let's put in the bedspread and everything. Comfort. My boy is set. Yeah, babe, I'm coming. We're gonna mount the TV here. He's gonna have his locker here, and this is his wardrobe. We'll be unpacking everything, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how everything looks like. But so far, this is how it looks like. This is still for my boy Shaney. I'm so happy for him, guys. I'm gonna take off like this. Clothes, shoes, and yes, I'm gonna transform this into something cozy for him.
Oh shit, baby. I want to put that upside down. More than I saw. So you down the other day. Yeah, because you see, if you put that, so. See this, you see it up. Is it okay?
I think it's okay.
No.
No, okay.
No, because the small one has to be inside.
Okay, guys, so we need to.
Because you see this small head like this, right? Has to come all the way. This one has to come in. So I need to turn this again.
He did it!
Yeah, I need to connect the Wi-Fi.
Shani is set, guys.
Look at Daddy! Look at Daddy! Remember too good.
The TV is good.
And that is my cover and
This is his cupboard. This is still to be fixed. And
this is my window.
this is your window, okay?
This is my TV.
This is Shane's TV, okay?
And this is my bed.
This is Shane's bed. Shane has drawers where he can put his stuff. Did you know that, Daddy? He can put his stuffs in here.
One stuff.
You can put anything, any extra clothes. You have 2, 3, and there's one there.
She can have just like Shane. How is that? I'm gonna have this like Shane.
So guys, this is Shane's room.
Baba, hey. Wow, this is so cool.
It's so cool, right?
Daddy made this. It's so cool. My bed is so cool.
Your bed's so cool.
Make my own bed.
Say, Daddy made my own bed.